You've entered the land of mysterious light, suspended in stardust where fairies take flight, and wizards create magic to brighten the way for the ogres and fairies to romp and play. Fiora the fairy disappears through the fog the moment she turns Rufus from an ogre to a frog. And Elrid the wizard turns a cow into a hen, while Tonk the elf switches gears back again to become a tornado soaring way up high. A magical hat will spin through the sky. The mystical treasures just keep flying by. Has a bit of a fortune caught your eye? So do come and visit and stay for a while. It's for certain that you will depart with a smile. The land of mystery, fortune and fun is the land of enchanted equal to none.